Hello everyone! Today we are going to create a cute donut shop using Nomad Sculpt. When creating a scene with lots of small items like this, the scariest thing is the app crashing, right? So this time, I'll show you plenty of tips to keep the data size low and work smoothly while maintaining the quality of your artwork. Everything can be done entirely on an iPad, so please try making it along with me. Adding detailed paint and textures increases the file size, but today we will use baking to create low-poly objects that look high quality despite their small size. We will also create the shop's floor, walls, and furniture in low poly, but we'll use things like textures to achieve a high-quality look. By using textures, you can create tile patterns, wood grains, and the marble patterns on the donuts. I'm using these textures today. I generated them using Google's Gemini. Please take a screenshot, crop it, and use it. Of course, you can also use textures you've created yourself. Now, let's make a low-poly donut. As you can see, we'll create each donut in a new project and then place them all together at the end. We'll make a chocolate-covered donut like this one. We'll use a texture to recreate the bumpiness of the surface. Delete the default sphere and add a torus from the scene menu. Drag the green dot to adjust the thickness of the torus. Once it looks like a donut shape, tap Validate. Tap the fourth icon from the left in the top left corner. Tap Multi-Resolution and tap Subdivide about twice to smooth the surface. Then tap Delete Lower. Scroll down the color menu on the bottom left and tap the white square. From Import, load the donut texture we just talked about. Once imported, tap the donut texture, scroll down the bottom left menu, and tap the cube icon. Tap Alpha to enable it. Set the intensity to 100% from the left bar. Enable the vertex option. Tap Paint All Triplanar. Now the surface has some bumpiness. Next, let's add some color. Tap Paint and edit the color. Increase the roughness and apply the color by tapping Paint All. In Paint mode, choose a slightly darker color and paint some baked marks. If you don't like the color, you can open the top right menu to adjust the exposure and saturation. The plain donut is finished. Now let's make a glossy chocolate sauce. Tap Mask and mask the area where you want the chocolate sauce to go. Please set the intensity to 100%. Once you've drawn the mask, tap Invert. Tap Hide on the left bar. Tap the areas other than the chocolate sauce to hide them. Once hidden, tap Smooth to smooth out the surface. Change the color menu to chocolate color and give it a slightly glossy look. Tap Paint All to apply the color. Tap Hide and then tap the hidden parts to reveal them again. In the Mask menu, tap Clear to remove the mask. A donut with different textures for the chocolate and the dough is now complete. I'll paint some nuts on. The donut is finished. Now let's create the low poly version of this donut. Please duplicate the donut using Clone from the Scene menu. I'll move it to a different spot so it's easier to see the next steps, but you can keep it in the same place. Tap the fourth icon from the left in the top left corner, then tap Misc. We will use Decimation. Please tap the vertex icon to enable it. Set the target triangles to about 1%. You'll see the size is now 334, which is 1%. It looks like we can go even lower, so let's continue decimating while checking the appearance. This is a bit too low, so I'll adjust the number slightly. Now that the size is reduced, overlay it back on the original donut's position. Tap the fourth icon from the left again and tap Unwrap under UV Unwrap in the Misc menu. Then tap Bake, Texture, and tap From High Res. The high-resolution texture will be baked on your object. Even though the file size is only 100, it has a high-quality look. If any layers were created, please merge them from the top right menu. Next, let's make a strawberry marble sauce donut. The process is the same up to the sauce part. Tap the color menu on the bottom left, tap the bottom of the 4 boxes, and tap Import. Load the marble texture I showed you earlier. Please tap the brush icon next to the loaded image to enable it. Tap the vertex option to disable it. Tap Paint All Triplanar. Now we have a marble sauce. For any areas where the texture is missing, blend it in using the smudge tool. Next, let's make a twisted donut like this one. Create the base using a torus. Tap Mirror, enable Y, and set the Y value to about 8. Tap Crease and carve a line on a section, and the lines will appear across the shape. Adjust the intensity of the crease tool to create your preferred shape. Just like before, make it low poly and bake the texture. I made these 6 types of donuts. Today, I showed you how to make low poly donuts with a small file size. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a low poly shop. The baking technique I introduced today will be useful for creating various objects. Please try making your own favorite shops, like a cake shop or a general store. Nomad Sculpt is a wonderful app that even beginners can enjoy modeling with. I hope this video helps you with your creative activities. Please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.